Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need admin rights and a restore point. This keeps you safe if something goes wrong. Once ready, open Regedit with Win+R, type Regedit, and press Enter. Make sure to navigate to HKey current user /software /classes /CLSID. That exact path matters. Now you're positioned to create a new key that controls the context menu behavior. Do this immediately so you don't waste time. The change is precise, and being in the right registry location prevents accidental edits elsewhere. Once at CLSID, create a new key named 86K1A0-34A4E8BA509-50C905B2A2. This key tells Windows to use the classic full menu. Next, inside that key create an inproc server 32 subkey and leave its default value empty. That empty string is intentional and is the switch. After creating keys, restart File Explorer via Task Manager or sign out and back in. That forces Windows to reload shell settings. Make sure to confirm the keys exist, otherwise the change won't take effect. To finish, right-click a file or desktop and confirm the full classic context menu is shown. That's the goal. If nothing changed, restart Explorer again and reboot. Sometimes the shell caches settings. If you see problems, delete the key you added to revert to Windows 11 simplified menu, then restart Explorer. One key troubleshooting tip: double-check the key name and that inproc server 32 default value is truly empty. A typo or stray value is the most common reason the tweak fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.